Hey everyone. Welcome back to MyTestExamPrep. In today's video, we're going over 25 important questions for the CDL Pre-Trip Inspection California 2026 to help you pass on your first try. These questions are based on real test scenarios, so make sure you pause, think, and try to answer before checking the correct one. If you're getting ready for your CDL exam, stay with me till the end and let's boost your confidence together. During a pre-trip inspection, what is the most critical reason to check the air compressor? A. To improve fuel efficiency. B. To ensure proper tire inflation. C. To maintain adequate air pressure for braking system. D. To reduce engine noise. Answer: C. The air compressor supplies compressed air to the braking system. Without proper air pressure, air brakes cannot function effectively, leading to serious safety risks. What is the primary purpose of inspecting the fifth wheel locking jaws? A. To reduce vibration. B. To ensure trailer is securely coupled. C. To improve fuel economy. D. To balance cargo weight. Answer: B. The locking jaws secure the trailer kingpin. If not properly engaged, the trailer could disconnect during operation. When checking brake drums, what condition is most concerning? A. Light surface rust. B. Minor discoloration. C. Cracks or excessive wear. D. Slight warmth. Answer: C. Cracks or severe wear can lead to brake failure, making this a critical safety issue. Why is it important to check for air leaks in the brake system? A. To improve engine performance. B. To reduce noise. C. To ensure braking pressure is maintained. D. To increase speed. Answer: C. Air leaks reduce pressure, which can cause brake failure or delayed braking response. What should you verify when inspecting the steering linkage? A. Color of components. B. Presence of grease and secure connections. C. Engine temperature. D. Fuel level. Answer: B. Proper lubrication and secure connections ensure safe steering control and prevent component failure. Which issue with tires is most dangerous during operation? A. Slight dirt. B. Proper inflation. C. Uneven wear or low tread depth. D. Manufacturer label missing. Answer: C. Uneven wear or insufficient tread reduces traction and increases the risk of blowouts. What is the correct action if the low air warning light activates during inspection? A. Investigate and correct air pressure issue. B. Continue driving. C. Ignore it. D. Turn off the engine permanently. Answer: A. The warning indicates insufficient air pressure, which must be corrected before operating the vehicle. When inspecting the drive shaft, what should you look for? A. Color fading. B. Proper length. C. Secure mounting and no damage. D. Fuel leaks. Answer: C. A damaged or loose drive shaft can lead to loss of power transmission and vehicle control. What is the main reason to check the condition of suspension components? A. Improve engine sound. B. Ensure load stability and ride control. C. Increase fuel usage. D. Enhance color appearance. Answer, B. Suspension components support the load and maintain vehicle stability during operation. What does excessive play in the steering wheel indicate? A. Proper functioning. B. Fuel system issue. C. Possible steering system problem. D. Tire pressure issue. Answer, C. Excessive play suggests worn or damaged steering components, affecting control. When inspecting the exhaust system, what is most critical? A. Color of pipe. B. Presence of leaks or damage. C. Length of system. D. Brand of parts. Answer, B. Exhaust leaks can allow dangerous gases to enter the cab, posing health risks. What is the purpose of checking reflective tape and markers? A. Improve engine efficiency. B. Increase speed. C. Reduce tire wear. D. Enhance visibility to other drivers. Answer, D. Reflective materials improve visibility, especially at night or in poor conditions. When inspecting fluid levels, what is most important? A. Color of container. B. Correct fluid type and proper level. C. Size of tank. D. Location only. Answer, B. Using the correct fluid at proper levels ensures safe and efficient vehicle operation. Why should you check the condition of the coupling apron? A. For appearance. B. To reduce fuel use. C. To ensure a smooth and secure trailer connection. D. To improve lighting. Answer, C. A damaged apron can affect coupling stability and lead to unsafe trailer attachment. What does a damaged air hose indicate? A. Better airflow. B. No issue. C. Potential air brake failure. D. Improved performance. Answer, C. Damaged hoses can leak air, reducing brake effectiveness and causing system failure. What is the primary reason for checking windshield wipers? A. Improve engine speed. B. Enhance visibility in adverse weather. C. Increase fuel efficiency. D. Change appearance. Answer, B. Functional wipers are essential for maintaining visibility during rain or snow. When inspecting the horn, what should you confirm? A. Color. B. Loudness and proper operation. C. Placement only. D. Wiring length. Answer, B. The horn must function properly to warn others and prevent accidents. What is the most important aspect of checking mirrors? A. Cleanliness and proper adjustment. B. Frame color. C. Brand. D. Shape. Answer A. Clean, properly adjusted mirrors ensure maximum visibility and reduce blind spots. What does a loose battery connection most likely cause? A. Better performance. B. Electrical failure or starting issues. C. Increased fuel efficiency. D. Improved lighting. Answer B. Loose connections can interrupt electrical flow, leading to starting or system failures. Why is checking cargo securement critical? A. Improve speed. B. Reduce weight. C. Prevent shifting or falling loads. D. Enhance appearance. Answer C. Improperly secured cargo can shift during transit, causing loss of control or accidents. While performing an air brake test, the pressure drops rapidly after shutting off the engine. What does this indicate? A. Air leak in the system. B. Overfilled air tanks. C. Normal system function. D. Strong compressor performance. Answer A. A rapid drop in air pressure after the engine is off indicates a leak in the air brake system. This is dangerous because sufficient air pressure is essential for proper braking. The system must hold pressure within acceptable limits to ensure safe operation. During inspection, the glad hands are loose and show signs of wear. What is the most appropriate action? A. Continue operation carefully. B. Clean them and ignore wear. C. Replace or repair before driving. D. Add lubricant only. Answer C. Glad hands connect air lines between tractor and trailer. If they are worn or loose, they may leak air, leading to brake failure. Immediate repair or replacement is required before operation. What is the primary purpose of checking the slack adjuster during a pre-trip inspection? A. To increase engine speed. B. To ensure proper brake stroke distance. C. To improve fuel efficiency. D. To adjust tire pressure. Answer B. The slack adjuster controls the distance the brake shoes travel. Excessive movement indicates improper adjustment, which can reduce braking effectiveness and increase stopping distance. A cracked leaf spring is discovered during inspection. What is the most likely risk? A. Improved ride comfort. B. Increased braking power. C. Reduced vehicle stability and load support. D. Better fuel economy. Answer C. Leaf springs are part of the suspension system. A crack weakens support, causing instability, uneven weight distribution, and potential loss of control. When checking the trailer electrical system, which issue is most critical? A. Slight dust on connectors. B. Dim interior light. C. Non-functioning brake lights. D. Loose cargo straps. Answer C. Brake lights are essential for communicating with other drivers. If they fail, following vehicles may not react in time, increasing the risk of collisions.